To glory we rise and never to fall. Here in the nation, flowing rivers of glory. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty in our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty in our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of this nation.
Good morning or good afternoon, fellow citizens of Ambazonia at home and abroad. Today, Sunday, number 6th day for the month of September, I don't come for una as the Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonia Defense Forces for pay tribute to one of our fighters, our hero, Fonte, alias Mad Dog, we die in a battle for Bamenda for Chop Alachu on a Chobo. Either way did they call him. I don't forgive me for being forgetful about these names. So I want to tell una the story of a hero. We would not lost it today. When I don't see say for instance Bamenda, we don't see how La Republic they guard a body. Now for sure na the big soldier way Fonte EBB. Now how serious it be where La Republic them they come for can guard the body for inside Liberty Square, and it be very significant say it be displayed for Liberty Square. So I go want take this time for honor our great hero Fonte. So I'll take a minute of silence and then I go do a tribute to Fonte where I just talk for ye. It don't be less than 12 hours where I talk for ye, and it died and come as a shock for me, and it don't hurt our family, our ADF family, our national family will be in mourning. Our forces and ground will be in shock, and but we will bounce back. We are in high spirit for carry on the mission way. Ye like many other national hero them, they don't go before us. So I will put the record straight for pay tribute. We'll see how black legs they show their head all over. We'll see how infiltrators and double agents they try to create a narrative for the enemy, and we will not let that happen. We will not let that happen. Not under my watch, not under the ADF, not in the name of Ambazonia. So we will go straight into his tribute. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, now me, the Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonia Defense Forces for the Savannah States. Today, number 6th day for September, would want pay tribute for an Ambazonian hero, Fonte, aka Mad Dog. Fonte, it be been a force where it be there for inside Mancon, for Bamenda, like many youths them for our country, where they don't suffer the effect of this failed experiment of a union with La Republique du Cameroon. It be unemployed. It don't go through a lot for his life. At one point, they be catchy inside this county by county politics. Now for that point, we will be rescue ye, will be treat ye for hospital, will be rehabilitate ye, and he join the Ambazonia Defense Forces. It is serve as a force for inside the Bamenda Brigade. I be just talk for Fonte. In Nova State, it be about a month ago, we get intelligence. Say the Cameroon, the intelligence officer them, and their task force will be tasked for fight against Ambazonian. They be close in on Fonte I be talk for our general, I be make a request for Fonte for be transferred out of Bamenda for a while. Our general they be accept the decision, and Fonte be denied for be transferred. And yesterday, nobody even stay up to 12 hours. I talk for Fonte after we begin meeting with our forces for Ground Zero for plan the implementation of the vehicle ban. I be tell Fonte, I say, Master, how you strong head so, bro? Why you not just go take some break? We know say La Republic, they don't put you at the top of their list. Take a break. Fonte tell me, say, you know something, Capo? I be Bamenda boy. I go die for Bamenda. They go bury me for Bamenda. I no go run Bamenda. He said, my face are already born, my face and they all side. I go sell even my shoe for fight the war. You know, I make even long while sending some small money for buy a credit for data, for buy data. Because all money we Fonte be don't get for your life, it don't get for this struggle. All money we get for your life, it don't get for this struggle. Fonte get a very controversial pass. Because na man way he don't rob show that will plenty people them. He don't do some kind funny thing for your life before. Like many youths them way they don't lost their way, they don't get job, they don't get any hope. Some of them don't even turn for even maybe thief small thing for here or thief small thing for day. Now the history that for Fonte life. But if you see this struggle as a means for change his life, for do something good with his life, no matter he pass, Fonte be talk say, even though he be done been a man way, he don't do kind thing never quarter, but he go be willing for sacrifice his life for a country, make Ambazonia he be free. All man for Bamenda knows Fonte. Plenty people there for Bamenda they know Fonte. Like many young men, them be broken. No be because they like him. No be because they no be give papa or mommy. No be because they want thief. No be because they want do anything. Now because we no day. Like La Piro, one of our hero, be talk. No matter how you dick and grumby, we no day you. Plenty of our picking they don't come out on being a thief people them. Plenty they don't turn asylum seekers and refugee. Our mommy them. Our woman the way them be pregnant, them be willing to carry their picking for their belly, for their back, for go die for inside Atlantic Ocean, say they go for Europe. Because all our resources them, La Republic don't carry and go. Fonte, now the story that for Fonte. But this struggle, it don't give meaning for the life of many men like people like Fonte. Fonte talks that for if we begin use the life, for misuse the life, where life no get no, it just the live so with no job, no opportunity, there is never a hope for future. He don't suffer for your life too much. He tell me say don't suffer for your life too much. Because General Abuan will be talking me then post, me then transfer it deny. So General take Capo talk for you, maybe he go feel reason with you. Maybe he go feel reason with you. I tell you say me go. Even if he take a break go for Ground 1. For holiday we go put even for 5-star hotel for 1 month. Fonte talk say no. He be Bamenda boy. He go die for inside Bamenda. Yesterday he talk say he go die inside Bamenda. And the enemy then feel say the one more key. By carry go put it for Liberty Square and for Gadi. But little do they know, say na an honor that the honor na the memory for Fonte. It be very significant. Say me then carry that body go put her for Liberty Square. It show say he die na for the liberty for Bamenda, for Ambazonia. As Fonte he blood he day for Liberty Square, Ambazonia shall be free. His spirit shall rise from that Liberty Square and open the doors of heaven for freedom for Ambazonia. For freedom for Ambazonia. As he did for this, so for Liberty Square, as people they pass around the sea. Now the people in this way they be that right for our national anthem. Say their blood shall bore the land with their blood for us to be free. Dios et decorum est. How honorable it is for a man to lay down his life for others to live. Fonte alias Mad Dog is a national hero. His life and his story for a life now the story of thousands of Ambazonians them, where they no get no hope for a future. They no get no hope for a dignified life. Yesterday, after we get meeting for plan the vehicle ban, The one sleep. Fonte talk say some girl, he calling me, can meet up for Commercial Avenue. He come on left. He come with them. He go along with his weapon, an AK-47 with 2 magazine and some few grenade them. Tawe go meet that girl. That girl take it, then go for chola. Na chwala or na chola. Then go for there, then go enter for some house. Now for there we discover and say we been a trap. He signal the Bamenda brigade, say they ran trappy for that house, me then say it back up. La Republique du Cameroon, they open fire after they try for broke the door. He too open fire. Our forces then come for there for back up. It be too late. They be already carry Fonte go time. They be only see now the aftermath for the battle. A lot of bullet shell then they for ground. Blood deep, heavy blood there for one spot. Another heavy blood there for one spot where it look like now Fonte own blood. And then a small blood there for some other side. It means say he likely kill one of the Kelebe them and wound one of them. Then pull the 2 body them for the land for the place where they go there. Then see how they don't pull 2 body them for ground where it means they carry their own diamond and one way they don't wound them plus Fonte carry and go them. Then go put it for Liberty Square for City Chemist roundabout. Where it be significant for glorify Fonte say it don't go for a blood don't go for the freedom of Ambazonia. No matter in life we don't live them, Fonte don't give a life for the people them. And a good example for all we. Say no matter your background, whether you be done be a convict or you be done thief or whatever you be done do because of the situation where they inside, you will give meaning to your life by fighting for the freedom of other people then. And at the same thing that way Fonte he don't do them. So today we want pay tribute for Fonte. The meeting will be getting yesterday we and the other fighter them for implement the vehicle ban. We will make sure say the vehicle ban it will be enforced by Bamenda. So the informuna will then pass order. Say from Tuesday, no Bensikin, no motor for Bamenda. As the colonial administration, the one target Bensikin people them, they don't ban Bensikin. They say no Bensikin no go work for Bamenda for specific place. Then we would talk say no motor no go work for Bamenda for all place except humanitarian vehicles and ambulance vehicles. Them. Any motor we pass for Bamenda, we go burn that motor. Any motor we work for Bamenda, if the bike the number worker, we go burn that motor. No matter how long it take, we go burn that motor. So, wanna be watchful, wanna be mindful because La Republique, their agent them, they don't be activated for spread rumors about Fonte, for spread all type of things them. Somehow, some strangely, the color of a t-shirt match the color of the t-shirt way the person be well and put the way rob that bank. It means La Republique du Cameroon had to be talk for media say na inside job, me for and all those people they be publish and way they talk to them be credible. It means La Republique du Cameroon the one play fast one. But no matter the case, Fonte ino be na somebody we carry plenty money because he never stay was sending money for his data. Na man way we tell it talk for me yesterday. Say if he sell his shoe for buy weapon for fight for Ambazonia, he don't give a life. He be get the chance for you for come off for Bamenda for 1 month as I be proposal. Even the general to be accept. The general talks him talk for you. Fonte talk say he be Bamenda boy. He go die for Bamenda. And he don't die for Bamenda. He die for a country. He died for a country. He give his life for a country. Whatever he has done in this revolution, he did for Ambazonia. The time when they be torture you for Mancon, people they be fear say, I be the fear say if he easily fall for La Republique du Cameroon the hand, if he can recruit you, but he deny for go join them. He can join a we for ADF. Now an ADF soldier. So we go honor all our soldier. Now one for all for one. Now our code. Me gonna be very mindful. For any man where they try for use them for denigrity. Una mark them, una mark down their name. Whether na for WhatsApp group, whether na for social media, una mark their name. We no go forget. Dios et decorum est. The war continue. As General Ivory talk, soldier come, soldier go. barracks remain. How glorious it is for anybody to give a life for a country. Those at home and abroad. Because even for we for home, we don't get intelligence, say that it come for all of us. But it is worth it. It is worth it. For the glory, honor, and dignity of the life of our people, we shall fight until the last man standing. Even they catch the one for Nigeria, it never stop. Even they assassinate we for abroad here, it no go stop. New one they go rise, and we shall fight even if it takes 1,000 years. Slaves never stop resisting. Occupied people will never stop resisting. Recolonized people will never stop resisting until Amazonia is free. So salute Fonte. Adios, brother. May your spirit fight on until Amazonia is free. Like General Mba Ivo and many others where they don't go before we, make una go, una keep on interceding for Amazonian freedom. We'll be very happy with your story. You don't turn your life around. You don't give your life for the country so that me other people then live. So we salute your bravery and those who are in their life. We could do everything. Say make Nana Republic them die for their country. But with honor, glory, and pride, we stand for talk for Amazonia and say, it is worth it for your freedom, for your dignity. It is worth it. Until the last man standing, we shall fight, we shall fight, we shall fight, we shall fight with everything we have. We shall throw our slippers on them. We shall fight with rubber gun. We shall fight with den gun. We shall fight with AK. We shall fight. We shall fight. We shall never give up. We shall never compromise. We shall never, until we have our full right under international law as a category B territory that have a right for its full independent it shall be. Adios, comrade. I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud to have known you. Some of us who are brought here were only crying and say, no, they will fight. Now we'll only cry that. But we'll fight from here. So, any place when I see the sacrifice for avoid them for ground zero, when I see the sacrifice where they sacrifice them, no matter what they don't give their life for we. The only thing we do now for make sure say me then get the equipment them and the material for defend themselves and for liberate homeland.